Hello friends, today we discuss on the topic of BSc first year, second semester halogen derivative of alkane. This topic is also applicable for the student who prepared for JEE and NEET also. Okay, now the halogen halogen derivatives. In halogen derivatives, we discuss on vinyl chloride and allyl chloride. Now, vinyl chloride. First, we see the structure of vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride, structure of vinyl chloride is whenever one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom from ethylene molecule, then the compound obtained is called as vinyl chloride. In vinyl chloride, the chlorine atom is attached to the carbon. The carbon to which chlorine atom is attached is sp2 hybridides. Is sp2 hybridides. sp2 hybridides. Now, this vinyl chloride involved nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. But the reactivity of toward the nucleophilic substitution reaction is less. Second, addition reaction, that is addition of HCl, X2 or H2 etc. is also involved. The elimination reaction. In this reaction, HCl molecule is eliminated out. HCl molecule is eliminated to form alkyl. Fourth, polymerization. Due to the presence of carbon-carbon double bond, polymerization maybe takes place in vinyl chloride. Now, we see the preparation of vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is prepared from acetylene by the addition of HCl molecule. Preparation of vinyl chloride. When acetylene molecule is react with HCl in the presence of Hg2Cl2 at 433 K temperature, addition takes place across the triple bond, and there is a formation of CH2 double bond CHCl, that is vinyl chloride. This is the preparation of vinyl chloride from acetylene by addition of hydrogen chloride at in the presence of Hg2Cl2 at 443 K. Now we see the chemical properties of vinyl chloride, that is the reaction of vinyl chloride. Chemical properties or reaction of vinyl chloride. That is, first reaction is the reaction of vinyl chloride with aqueous alkali. aqueous alkali, that is KOH, that is KOH. When vinyl chloride is react with aqueous alkali, that is aqueous KOH alkali, potassium hydroxide, such type of reaction is called as alkaline hydrolysis. In this reaction, nucleophilic substitution, this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, because in this reaction chlorine atom is replaced by OH negative, that is weaker nucleophile is replaced by the stronger nucleophile, that is, and we get CH2 double bond CHOH plus KCl molecule is given out. This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. When vinyl chloride is react with aqueous alkali, substitution takes place, nucleophilic substitution takes place, and vinyl alcohol is obtained. In the same way, second reaction is the reaction of vinyl chloride with alcoholic alkali, that is medium is alcohol. Whenever vinyl chloride is react with alcoholic alkali, elimination reaction takes place. When vinyl chloride is react with alcoholic alkali, elimination reaction takes place. In this reaction, dehydrohalogenation takes place. Elimination takes place. In this reaction, halogen as well as hydrogen is given out. So such reaction is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now this reaction is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction, and after losing KCl and water molecule, given out the KCl, in this reaction KCl and water molecule is given out, and acetylene is obtained, and acetylene molecule is obtained. In first reaction, vinyl chloride is react with aqueous alkali. Whenever the aqueous alkali is react with vinyl chloride, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place, and we get vinyl alcohol. In second chemical reaction, this vinyl chloride is react with, whenever it react with alcoholic alkali, elimination reaction takes place. In the elimination reaction, hydrogen and halogen molecule is given out in the form of HCl and H2O molecule. So this reaction is also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Now we see allyl chloride. We discuss on allyl chloride. The structure of allyl chloride is allyl chloride. Whenever one hydrogen atom from methyl group in a propene is replaced by chlorine atom, one hydrogen atom from propene is replaced by chlorine atom, then the compound form is called as allyl chloride. Now the carbon to which chlorine atom is attached is a sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized is sp3 hybridized. Now the preparation of, now we see the preparation of allyl chloride. When propene is react with chlorine, is heated with chlorine at 773 to 783 K. HCl molecule is given out. When chlorine gas is passed through the propene at 773 to 783, HCl molecule is given out and CH2 double bond CH2Cl is obtained and HCl molecule is given out. That is allyl chloride is obtained. As vinyl chloride, we see vinyl chloride shows nucleophilic substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction and polymerization reaction. This allyl chloride also shows elimination reaction, addition reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction and polymerization reaction. Now we see the first chemical properties of allyl chloride. First chemical property, first reaction of allyl chloride, that is reaction of allyl chloride with aqueous alkali, that is KOH. When allyl chloride is react with aqueous alkali, that is aqueous KOH, aqueous alkali, substitution reaction takes place. KCl molecule is given out and this chlorine is replaced by hydroxyl group. So weaker nucleophile is replaced by the stronger nucleophile. This reaction is called as a nucleophilic substitution reaction. KCl molecule is given out and allyl alcohol is